Karlsøysundet. I don't know if it's Fredrikstad or Sarpsborg, but yeah. Just gonna lay my boat a little out so I don't go too near the shore. It goes beautifully, so yeah. Just breaking her in gently, so I'm guessing this is 12 knots maybe a little more. I'm gonna take you with me to Karlsøysundet through there, and then show you where we often go bathing and such in summer, so just hold on. I'm gonna go under that bridge. Pretty damn chilly to be filming now. It's maybe 7 degrees, so I'm getting pretty chilly on my hands, but yeah. Just gonna lay myself a little on the side since the waves and tide are going this way. Just backing off the throttle a little, and you see when I'm not on plane what happens. The boat just gets up, so just getting her down. Backing off slightly. You see that marking there? Straight ahead. It says turn right of it. So that's important. And since I am the only one in the boat, it's going a little crooked, but yeah, it's not a problem. This boat goes such much better in the water. If I got someone in the bow, it would go much better. Just turning a little. I'm gonna go there since there is a ship. And dang it, it's cold to film. Just heading through here. And this is actually going a little too fast, but yeah, it ain't a problem. Meet someone, I can always just back down. So this is Karlsøy Sundet, where we're going. Move you damn birds. Here it's very shallow, very very shallow, so I'm soon gonna back off the throttle a little bit. I'm nearing here. See, there's a reef, there's one. Entire place here is hell-ridden with reefs. Many boats here gone ground every year. So yeah, beautiful place. I'm gonna upload 3 videos. That's what it takes. Beautiful place here. Imagine to have a cabin up there. Gorgeous. This is Norway at its best. It's early. It's 11 over 9 a.m. in the morning. shallows are. You can actually see the bottom if you got sunglasses on, so I can see the bottom here. We're gonna go to the left. You can't go through those stones. So just backing off and going slow now. Because if you go fast there, I'm actually tilting up the engine. Back off the throttle just to tilt her up, and you see I got the shaft underwater but a little higher, so I can go to the shallows here. A little up and not much speed, because here you can see the bottom. It's maybe a meter, 1.5 with water. So yeah, here I'm taking it slow. Just cruising. Many idiots drive through there and ruin their boats. There is marked because some idiots have run on that too. So yeah, it's incredibly shallow here, as you can see. Gonna switch to wide angle. You see there's marked that you are gonna run between that and that one, and I want to be closer to the green one. Because that is a reef that goes pretty far. Hello, Mr. Duck. I'm gonna change to normal angle. That's what I see approximately, and it's so shallow here. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see the bottom here. So yeah, taking it slow and steady. No urge. You see the bottom there? You see? So I want to be very close to that one. You see the reef there poking up, and then turning straight. And then I can power a little on. I can lower the engine. I'm getting down the plane. And backing off. A little more speed. And you see here, beautiful, ain't it? This is the Norwegian coast. Gorgeous place. Gorgeous place. I'm gonna round out around there. Running wide open throttle. That's wide open. We're doing maybe 20 knots, maybe, and just backing off ever so slightly. You can see how calm it is. So So yeah, that's all I wanted to show you. I'm gonna show you where we used to swim in the summer too. Bye.